The sun has long been a subject of fascination, not only for scientists, but also for those who watch the skies for signs of the unexplained. Among the many images captured by NASA's Solar and Heliospheric Observatory, one in particular has ignited a wave of curiosity and speculation. The photograph shows a striking grid-like formation of glowing orb-shaped objects positioned near the sun. To the right of the frame sits the massive black circle representing the sun, a reminder of the sheer scale at play. When viewers realized that these orbs, when compared against the size of the sun, were massive, the debate about their nature and purpose became impossible to ignore. The grid-like formation stands out from the usual anomalies reported near the sun. Unlike fleeting flashes of light or random distortions, these objects appear organized, deliberate, and arranged in a pattern that defies chance. Their alignment suggests intention rather than chaos, as if they were constructed or placed with precision. The image has been described by many as one of the clearest indicators that humanity is not alone and that advanced objects are operating within our solar system. The most astonishing detail about this sighting is the size of the objects themselves. When compared against the Sun, which has a diameter of roughly 865,000 miles, the orbs appear colossal, potentially spanning sizes greater than entire planets. For an object of such scale to exist and remain structured so close to the Sun is beyond the capacity of known human engineering. Any technology capable of resisting the Sun's gravitational pull, radiation, and intense heat must be operating at a level far beyond anything humanity currently possesses. This is not the first time unusual structures have been recorded near the Sun. Over the years, researchers and skywatchers have pointed to strange spheres, cubes, and elongated craft-like shapes appearing in solar observatory footage. Yet few of these sightings carry the same sense of order and design as this grid-like formation. Random shapes can sometimes be dismissed as interference or digital artifacts, but when luminous objects align into a precise arrangement, the argument for coincidence becomes far less convincing. For many who study such anomalies, the explanation is simple. These are real, unidentified objects, perhaps constructed by an advanced intelligence. Their grid-like arrangement hints at coordination, perhaps suggesting that they are part of a single structure, a fleet, or even a network positioned near the Sun for a specific purpose. The Sun itself, being the most powerful energy source in the solar system, may be central to that purpose. The idea that these objects are harvesting energy from the Sun is one of the most discussed theories. To civilizations advanced enough to cross interstellar distances, the energy output of a star would be an invaluable resource. Positioning massive structures close to the Sun could allow for energy collection on an unimaginable scale, providing power for vast fleets, advanced research, or technologies beyond human comprehension. The grid-like pattern could be evidence of a system designed to optimize such collection, with each orb functioning as a component of a larger mechanism. Another possibility is that the objects serve as observation platforms. From their vantage point near the Sun, they would have an unobstructed view of the solar system and its planets. Earth's movements, technological advancements, and even human activity could be monitored without interruption. The grid formation may therefore not be accidental, but deliberate, part of a wider arrangement designed to observe or communicate across distances that span the solar system. For others, the sighting represents something even more profound. If these objects are real, it may suggest that the Sun itself holds a special significance for advanced intelligences. Beyond being a source of energy, it may serve as a natural hub, a gateway, or a point of resonance in ways humanity has yet to understand. The grid formation could therefore represent an alignment with forces beyond simple physics, a way of working with the Sun's immense fields of magnetism and plasma. Skeptics may argue that such sightings are the result of image errors or digital interference. Indeed, the Sun's environment is so volatile that capturing images of it is incredibly challenging. Yet the persistence of these structured forms cannot be ignored. A glitch may create a random shape, but it is far less likely to generate a symmetrical grid of massive luminous orbs positioned with precision. When this photograph is placed alongside the long record of other strange objects seen near the Sun, the case for real unidentified objects grows stronger. The scale of the mystery only adds to its weight. If these orb-like structures are real, then humanity is witnessing something far beyond its current capacity to explain. Each sphere appears to rival entire planets in size, suggesting construction projects or technologies operating at a scale that stretches imagination itself. They may be ships, stations, or elements of a larger megastructure positioned around our star. Whatever their purpose, their presence challenges everything we think we know about the universe. The implications of this sighting are enormous. If objects of such scale and design are operating openly near the Sun, then humanity is not the only intelligent force in this solar system. It would mean that advanced civilizations are not simply distant possibilities in far-off galaxies, but active participants in our immediate cosmic neighborhood. For centuries, humanity has wondered whether it is alone in the universe. This grid-like formation may be among the clearest signs yet that the answer has been before us all along, hidden in the blinding light of the Sun. The photograph of this mysterious grid continues to circulate widely, sparking conversations not only among enthusiasts of the unexplained, but also within scientific communities. While official agencies often stop short of acknowledging such objects as genuine, the silence itself has only fueled speculation. Each new sighting adds momentum to the belief that these structures are real and that one day the truth behind them will be revealed. The grid-like formation of luminous orbs near the Sun is more than just another unexplained anomaly. It is a glimpse into a larger reality, one in which the solar system may already be shared. Whether as energy collectors, observation platforms, or something even more profound, these objects stand as a testament to the mysteries that remain just beyond our reach. NASA's history is filled with groundbreaking discoveries and awe-inspiring images that have reshaped our understanding of space. However, among the thousands of photographs taken by space probes and satellites, there have been several instances where strange and unexplained anomalies have appeared. Two particular images have recently resurfaced online, drawing the attention of researchers and UFO enthusiasts who claim that these photographs show mysterious structures on the Moon or another celestial body. What makes these images even more intriguing is that they were allegedly deleted from NASA's official archives, fueling speculation that something is being hidden from the public. The two images in question are black and white, resembling the photographic quality of the Lunar Orbiter 1 photos taken in the 1960s. The images display rugged, cratered landscapes typical of the Moon, but what stands out are the unusual structures present within them. Unlike natural geological formations, these structures have an artificial appearance, with sharp edges, symmetrical shapes, and an organized layout that suggests intentional design. Some researchers have pointed out that the features resemble buildings, towers, or even large-scale industrial complexes. Another detail that has puzzled observers is the presence of blacked-out areas in both images. These sections appear as large, rectangular regions that obscure significant portions of the photographs. This has led to intense speculation that the original images may have contained additional structures or objects that NASA decided to conceal. Given the precision with which these areas are censored, it does not appear to be a simple photographic error or damage to the original film. Instead, it looks like a deliberate act of editing, reinforcing the idea that something within these images was deemed too sensitive for public viewing. Online researchers have tirelessly combed through NASA's archives in an attempt to find the original, unaltered versions of these images. Some have even managed to obtain copies from independent sources who claim to have saved them before they were removed. Many who have analyzed the images have drawn comparisons to previous anomalies found in NASA's photographs, particularly in images taken of the Moon, Mars, and other celestial bodies. In several instances, strange structures, unnatural formations, and unidentified flying objects have been spotted in raw images before they were later edited or deleted from official records. The notion of a NASA cover-up is not new. Over the years, several former NASA employees and whistleblowers have come forward with claims that UFOs and artificial structures have been photographed by space missions, only to be systematically erased or concealed. Donna Hare, a former NASA contractor, famously stated in interviews that she had first-hand knowledge of images being altered to remove UFOs before they were released to the public. According to Hare, there was a specialized team within NASA dedicated to airbrushing out unexplained objects from photographs to maintain secrecy. Other insiders have reported similar accounts, describing instances where footage from space missions would capture unidentified craft hovering near NASA spacecraft, only for those records to be classified or outright destroyed. In the case of these two mysterious images, many believe that they are further evidence of this ongoing practice. The blacked-out sections serve as a reminder that not everything captured by NASA's cameras is meant for public consumption. The implications of these images, if proven to be genuine, could be monumental. If there are artificial structures on the Moon or another celestial body, it would raise serious questions about who built them and for what purpose. Some theories suggest that these could be remnants of an ancient extraterrestrial civilization that once inhabited or visited our solar system. Others speculate that these could be secret bases built by an unknown advanced group, possibly even human in origin, operating under the cover of classified space programs. The lunar orbiter missions of the 1960s and 1970s have long been a source of curiosity for researchers. Several images from these missions have surfaced over the years, showing odd formations that defy conventional geological explanations. Large towers, domes, and even what appear to be roads or pathways have been identified in certain photographs. Many of these anomalies have been dismissed by mainstream scientists as tricks of light, photographic artifacts, or simple misinterpretations. However, those who have closely examined these images argue that the evidence is too compelling to ignore. The secrecy surrounding space exploration has only deepened suspicions. Despite numerous technological advancements, NASA and other space agencies remain highly selective about what information they release. When images are removed from public databases, it only adds to the belief that information is being actively suppressed. These two deleted images fit into a broader pattern of unexplained disappearances and censorship of space-related material, leading many to wonder what else has been hidden from public view. For those who believe in the reality of these anomalies, the search for answers continues. Some independent researchers have taken it upon themselves to download and archive every image released by NASA, fearing that more evidence could be erased over time. Others have begun exploring alternative sources, such as data released by other space agencies like Russia's Roscosmos, to see if similar anomalies appear in their missions. Ultimately, the mystery surrounding these two NASA images remains unresolved. Whether they were deleted due to genuine concerns about misinformation or because they contained undeniable evidence of artificial structures beyond Earth, the fact that they disappeared raises serious questions. The blacked-out sections suggest that someone decided the public should not see what lay beneath. Until the original images resurface or NASA provides an official explanation, the debate will continue, leaving us to wonder just how much of what we see from space is truly authentic. Many other NASA photographs have surfaced over the years that appear to show buildings with sharp angles and geometric structures on the Moon and Mars. These images, which often come from the Apollo missions, Mars rovers and orbiters, depict formations that seem unnatural, challenging the idea that they are merely the result of geological processes. Some researchers believe that these anomalies could be remnants of ancient extraterrestrial civilizations or even secret bases hidden from public knowledge. One of the most compelling images comes from the Apollo 17 mission, where astronauts captured a photograph that appears to show a rectangular structure with defined edges on the lunar surface. Unlike typical lunar rock formations, which tend to be more rounded or irregular, this structure exhibits sharp, precise angles, making it look like an artificial construct. Some researchers argue that it resembles the remains of a collapsed building or even a landing pad, suggesting that intelligent beings may have once occupied the Moon. Similar anomalies have been found on Mars. NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter and Curiosity rover have captured images showing what look like perfectly symmetrical walls, corridors, and even what appears to be the remnants of pyramidal structures. These images raise serious questions about whether NASA has been withholding evidence of extraterrestrial structures. The presence of artificial-looking buildings with sharp angles suggests that advanced civilizations may have once existed beyond Earth, leaving behind clues that we are only beginning to uncover. The enigmatic existence of unidentified flying objects has perpetually captivated the interests of proponents, doubters, and scholars, sparking extensive discussions and conjecture. A particularly fascinating facet of this occurrence is the documented instances of unidentified objects being observed in close proximity to the Sun. These sightings have piqued considerable interest and prompted extensive research into the nature and origins of these mysterious objects. The observations of these phenomena have sparked a multitude of hypotheses regarding the potential explanations for these events. On the 23rd of July 2020, the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory LASCO satellite, operated by NASA, captured a mesmerizing object close to the Sun. During this spectacular phenomenon, an unusual anomaly briefly manifested within the solar flare. This incident provided a unique and intriguing insight into the intricacies of solar activity, prompting further examination and analysis to comprehend the nature of such rare occurrences. The item was characterized as resembling a sleek aircraft and was compared to a classified Black Project aircraft, and it was noted for its resemblance to a slender aerial vehicle. At present, there is significant confusion among the public regarding the identity of the object. One user has highlighted that the object in question does not align with the usual entities detected by the NASA Solar and Heliospheric Observatory. This observation suggests that the object deviates from the expected norm of captured objects. Reports of enigmatic phenomena in close proximity to the Sun have been documented for numerous years, with accounts dating back to as early as the mid-1900s. These sightings, which have persisted over decades, continue to intrigue and puzzle both scientists and the general populace. Sightings of unidentified objects frequently entail the observation of entities that seem to be navigating at considerable velocities or executing intricate maneuvers in close proximity to the Sun's periphery. These phenomena have piqued the interest of astronomers and scientists alike, prompting further research. In numerous instances, celestial bodies of this nature are detected by amateur stargazers or recorded in photographs and videos obtained by solar observation satellites, for example, NASA's Solar and Heliospheric Observatory. Such occurrences are frequently the subject of observation and documentation by individuals with a keen interest in astronomy, as well as those interested in the unknown. Lately, a specific image has stirred up a commotion on the internet, leaving numerous individuals uncertain about its significance and source. The photo has sparked widespread curiosity, leading to various interpretations and speculations regarding the origins of the object. Observers who viewed the image noted the presence of a sleek, dark object in close proximity to the Sun. Oddly, there have been previous sightings of circular objects near the Sun, prompting researchers to speculate that this anomaly might be of extraterrestrial origin, positing the intriguing possibility that it could be an advanced civilization's probe sent to examine potential indicators of life on Earth, a concept analogous to our present exploration of other celestial bodies within the solar system. These occurrences have led to thought-provoking discussions within the scientific community, raising questions about the potential existence of intelligent life beyond our planet and its potential interstellar activities. This phenomenon has sparked a profound curiosity among researchers, driving them to contemplate the implications of detecting such advanced technological artifacts and the profound impact they could have on our understanding of the universe. Several interpretations have been put forward regarding the identity of this object, encompassing a wide spectrum of theories extending from sun anomalies to sophisticated forms of activity. These propositions seek to shed light on a mysterious entity that has captured scientific intrigue, prompting investigations into its potential origins. Some people speculate that these enigmatic entities harness the energy of the Sun to power their space vehicles, possibly shedding light on the regular sightings in close proximity to the Sun. This hypothesis offers a plausible explanation for the recurring presence of these objects near our solar system's primary source of energy. Indeed, experts in the field of science have recognized and accepted the notion that the expanse of space is of such immense magnitude that it surpasses the grasp of the human mind. An alternative scenario could involve the potential use of our Sun as a portal by an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. Some individuals who harbor skepticism regarding the phenomenon conjecture that its discovery may be attributed to a mere sunspot. The diverse range of forms and dimensions of the unidentified entities sighted in proximity to the Sun has given rise to conjecture regarding their source and objectives. The extensive array of shapes and dimensions observed in the unidentified objects near the Sun has sparked theories about their origins. Some individuals have depicted these unidentified objects as having a metallic composition and a disc-like shape. Conversely, there are accounts of sightings detailing craft that resemble cigars or triangles. The wide range of these reports has given rise to various hypotheses, spanning from sophisticated extraterrestrial visits to clandestine government undertakings. There is a prevalent belief within the UFO community suggesting that the unidentified objects observed in close proximity to the Sun might be sophisticated spacecraft operated by advanced lifeforms. Advocates of this notion put forth the argument that highly advanced alien societies could potentially be harnessing the Sun's boundless energy for a multitude of purposes, including propelling their spacecraft or fueling state-of-the-art extraterrestrial technology. Although this hypothesis has garnered significant attention from certain UFO researchers, it is crucial to note that it primarily rests on conjecture and lacks substantial empirical evidence to substantiate its claims. Skeptics maintain the viewpoint that numerous sightings of unidentified flying objects in close proximity to the Sun are attributable to natural occurrences like solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and sunspots. These celestial incidents have the capacity to generate atypical configurations and designs when observed from a distance, contributing to misconceptions among onlookers who may misidentify them as unfamiliar entities. Another feasible rationale for the occurrence of UFO sightings in proximity to the Sun relates to image anomalies or visual distortions. The imagery captured by solar monitoring satellites like SOHO can occasionally exhibit irregularities stemming from the imaging techniques comprising lens flare, visual distortions, or data compression inaccuracies. These irregularities might be misconstrued by observers as unidentified flying objects. Furthermore, when solar observation satellites capture images, a range of factors such as lens flare, image noise, and data compression errors might lead to the creation of artifacts, which could potentially be misinterpreted as UFOs. The examination of unidentified flying object sightings in close proximity to the Sun poses significant challenges, primarily because of the inherent difficulty in accessing reliable data and the absence of conclusive evidence. The intense radiation and heat emitted by the Sun creates a nearly insurmountable barrier for traditional telescopes to effectively observe any objects in its immediate vicinity. Moreover, the overwhelming majority of these sightings are predominantly rooted in anecdotal evidence, which is susceptible to various influencing factors such as misperception, memory distortion, and cognitive biases. This makes it a complex and intricate undertaking to ascertain the legitimacy and actuality of such occurrences. The abundant speculation surrounding UFO sightings near the Sun poses a significant challenge for researchers aiming to conduct thorough, unbiased analysis. The absence of agreement among researchers and the widespread promotion of sensational claims in the mainstream media have significantly hindered scientific efforts to comprehensively study this phenomenon. This situation has made it increasingly arduous for researchers to approach this subject with the requisite level of scientific rigor, leading to a dearth of credible and well-substantiated studies in this area. The observation of unidentified flying objects in close proximity to the Sun is a captivating and mysterious subject, which has only gained more traction over the years as more and more of these strange objects have been detected by NASA technology. The wide array of documented phenomena and the myriad interpretations aimed at elucidating these occurrences underscore the enduring intrigue surrounding the prospect of extraterrestrial existence and advanced alien technology. Despite the absence of definitive explanations, the examination of UFO sightings near the Sun serves as a testament to humanity's unyielding curiosity about unexplored frontiers and the pursuit of comprehension regarding the enigmas that pervade our cosmos. This exploration not only reflects our innate inclination to uncover the unfamiliar, but also embodies our quest to fathom the enigmatic aspects of the universe that envelop us. The extensive repository of solar and heliospheric observatory images is open to everyone, providing the opportunity for intriguing findings to unfold gradually. Lately, a specific image has sparked considerable interest, leaving numerous individuals uncertain about its significance. This library offers an in-depth collection of images from the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory, making it possible for researchers and enthusiasts alike to make new and captivating discoveries over time. Through careful observation, a substantial phenomenon generating an energy ripple, has captured our attention. Numerous theories have emerged in an attempt to explain this occurrence, encompassing hypotheses related to solar irregularities, such as sunspots, abnormalities on the sun, and even speculations about extraterrestrial involvement. There is a theory suggesting that UFOs harness the energy of the sun to power their spacecraft, potentially shedding light on the multitude of sightings near the sun. Furthermore, even scientists have admitted that the expanse of space is so immense that it surpasses human understanding. Another hypothesis proposes that an intelligent extraterrestrial civilization could be utilizing our sun as a portal of some kind.